By the end of this video, you will know how to embed an Airtable view on a website. Start by opening Airtable and going to the base that contains the information you want to show on your site. Once the base is open, move to the specific view you want to embed. This matters because Airtable will generate embed code for the view that is currently selected, not for the entire base. If you have several views with similar names, take a moment to confirm that the one on screen is the one you want visitors to see on your website. With that view open, look to the top right area of the page and click Share and Sync. This opens the menu that contains sharing options for the current view. From there, select Embed this view. Airtable will take you to the Embed Setup page, where you can adjust how the view will appear once it is placed on your site. On the Embed page, review the available options before copying anything. One option is to use a card layout on desktop, which changes the way records are displayed when the embedded view is opened on a larger screen. Another option is to show view controls, which allows people viewing the embedded version to interact with the view controls that Airtable makes available. Choose the combination that matches how you want the embedded content to look and behave on your website. As you change these settings, use the preview if needed to check the layout. Airtable may show desktop and mobile previews, so you can see how the embedded view will appear on different screen sizes. This is a good time to confirm spacing, layout, and whether the controls should remain visible. If something does not look right, adjust the options on the same page until the preview matches what you want to publish. Once the embedded view is configured the way you want, click Copy Embed Code. Airtable will copy an iframe snippet to your clipboard. This is the code you will place into the HTML of your website. After copying it, go to your website editor or the HTML file where the Airtable view should appear, and paste the iframe code into that section of the page. Make sure you paste the full iframe code without removing any part of it, since changing the code can prevent the embedded view from displaying properly. If your website uses a custom HTML block, place the code there. If you are editing the page source directly, paste it at the location where the embedded Airtable view should render. Your Airtable view is now embedded on your website using the iframe embed code.